Ah, young travelers, gather round and lend an ear to the wisdom of an old soul who has witnessed the dance of time and technology. In this age of marvels, let me offer you these words: balance in all things. While the machines of technology can empower and connect, remember that a life lived solely in the glow of screens can leave the heart cold. Seek harmony between the digital realm and the embrace of nature and human connection. Seek understanding, not just mastery. It's easy to wield tools you don't truly comprehend. Take time to understand the workings of the machines you use so you're not just a user, but a knowledgeable steward. Preserve the art of patience. In an age of instant gratification, remember the value of waiting, of allowing knowledge and experiences to unfold gradually. Great things are often worth the wait. The ethical compass. As you venture into the digital wilderness, keep your morale compass true. Technology can create wonders, but also shadows. Use it to uplift and power, never to demean or manipulate.